Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Hellobit, a crypto platform that claims to make buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrency simple for everyday users. Hellobit offers wallet services, trading functions, and even some staking opportunities. When we tested it, the onboarding process was smooth, and the interface felt intuitive even for beginners. Transactions were fast, and security features like two-factor authentication gave us peace of mind. Pros: beginner-friendly layout, fast transactions, secure wallet with multiple crypto options, and decent stocking rewards. Cons: trading fees are slightly higher than some competitors. Advanced traders may find limited charting tools, and availability of certain cons is restricted compared to major exchanges. Overall, we found that Hellobit works best for casual investors or beginners in crypto who want a safe, simple, and functional platform. Advanced users may prefer exchanges with more features, but Hellobit gets the basics right. This has been How to Literally We Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.